Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Robert Silver. I cover all things photography, filmmaking, and the gear that helps us do our jobs better. Today, we're talking about something that has been absolute godsend in my workflow, the Tarion Titanrig Production Cart. Whether you're a one-person content creator, a commercial photographer, or working with a small film crew, this cart is designed to help you carry more, work faster, and stay organized on set. We're going to unbox it, set it up, run through all its features, test it in a real-world situation, and talk about the pros and cons, so by the end, you'll know whether this tool is right for your setup. Hold up, quick interruption. We'll get back to the video in just a second. Now, are you tired of guessing your way through off-camera flash, building your portfolio, working with a model, or struggling to take better portraits in natural light? Yeah, I've been there.
Sign me up, because that's me.
Now is your time to learn from someone who's already made the mistakes so you don't have to. That's why I offer personal mentorship, online or in person. Whether you want to nail your lighting, sharpen your editing, or just want to stop making videos that look like crime scene footage, I got you. You don't have to figure this stuff out alone. Let's get your work looking like you actually meant to do it. Click the link below or head to robertsilverphotography.com and let's get to work. Now, back to the video. Okay, so here's everything that came inside the box. We have the cart itself. We have 4 pre-inflated wheels, and 2 of them have brakes on it, as you can see right there. And then we have a clamp right here, which I will show you what it is for. It's for like a C-stand, the stand itself. So anyway, I'll just show you that in a second. We also have this right here, which is where you could put accessories, some other extra stuff attached to the cart, I'm sure that's what it's for. Okay. Anywho, but that's what it is right there. We have the handle itself right there, which I believe is telescopic. So yeah, it is. So it gets longer. And then we have the top shelf right here. So you can see pretty much the entire cart itself is already pre-assembled with the handle right there. Now, let me show you what it looks like when you actually put this thing together. When you first get the Titanrig, it's surprisingly compact for what it can do. Folded up, it's easy to slide into the back of your car or SUV. And for my city shooters out there, yes, it fits through standard doorways without a fight. What I really love is how fast this thing sets up. No tools, no complicated twisting or locking mechanisms. You just fold it open, snap on a trace, and you're good to go. For location shooters, that's huge now. I can roll into a shoot, unload my gear from a car, and be shooting in minutes instead of juggling an armful of cases. The Titanrig is built from a sturdy aluminum alloy that keeps the weight down to about 20 kilograms. That's roughly 44 pounds, but it still carries up to 200 kilograms or 440 pounds of equipment. That's more than enough for camera bodies, lenses, lighting gear, grip equipment, and even a monitor station. Now, I've personally loaded it with 2 heavy-duty rolling cases, 2 light stands, a strobe kit, and a laptop case, and it didn't even flinch. The frame feels solid with 0 wobble, and the trays don't flex under all that pressure. Alright, now it's time for the most important part. Let's talk about the price. The Titanrig Cart base model currently goes for around $499 on the Tarion's website, marked down for $599 currently. Now, I've seen professional production carts go for well over $1,200 or even close to $5,000 a pop, and they're often heavier, bulkier, harder to set up, and most importantly, they don't fold up. So in terms of value for your money, the Titanrig gives you pro-level capacity and build quality at less than half the price. Alright, here's my honest breakdown after using it for a while. Let's start with the pros. It's lightweight but extremely strong. It folds up and sets up in just a minute. Handles up to 200 kilograms of gear, which is fantastic. It rolls smoothly on over multiple terrains. It's highly modular and expandable for future upgrades and customization. And most importantly, it's priced well below many of its competitor pro carts out there in the market. Now let's talk about the cons. It's not super compact when it is folded, so measure your car or your storage space. The accessories are still limited, though more are coming on the way. And the pneumatic tires means you eventually need to check the air pressure of them. So, is the Tarion Titanrig Production Cart worth it? For me, absolutely. If you're constantly moving your gear from your home to your car to your set, whether that's across a parking lot, through a hotel lobby, or into a park for a shoot, this thing is going to save your back and most importantly, your time. It's rugged, adaptable, and budget-friendly for the level of performance it delivers. I honestly see it as a long-term investment in my workflow. And that is my in-depth look at the Tarion Titanrig Production Cart. If you've got questions about it, drop them in the comments below. I read and reply to all of them, believe it or not. If this video was helpful, give it a like, hit the subscribe for my photography and filmmaking gear reviews and tutorials, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.